So today I'm about to show you how to connect ChatGPT to N8N. First, open your web browser, navigate to OpenAI.com, and log into your developer dashboard. Go to the API keys section on the left sidebar, click Create New Secret Key. Give it a name and copy the generated token string immediately before closing the window. Next, open your N8N canvas and drag in a OpenAI node, or choose the OpenAI chat model. If you are building an advanced AI agent, click into the node parameters, select Create New Credential, and paste your secret key directly into the API key field. Hit Save, and select your desired model brain like GPT-4 or GPT-4 Mini from the drop-down list. Now, simply map your text variables from your incoming data triggers directly into the prompt field and hit Execute to run ChatGPT inside your workflows. And that's it. That's how to connect ChatGPT to N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.